Hi all, greetings from Deepa to all my viewers at Gyantipam. In this video, I am going to share with you that as a teacher, when you're using Google Meet while sharing your screen, can you see your student? So, one more problem is there. You also want to visible yourself while presenting the screen. So, these two issues are solved in this video. So, for that, log into our mail ID. We know that how to take Google Meet and share. I'm going to send invitation to one of my account itself to show you the demo. Okay? Yes. Now I'm going to send the invitation. Type the mail ID, which are all the person you want to send the invitation. You can type it and click on send mail. Yeah, the invitation is sent just now. Okay. Yeah. So before presenting your screen, you can do one more thing. Suppose if you're presenting some PowerPoint presentation related to the topic, you can minimize the two windows and arrange the two windows as per your requirements. Okay, so it will be, I'm arranging my window like this as per my choice. So I need to see both this window while presenting, because we know we teachers are facing some of the problems while presenting the screen. We will not be able to see our student what they are doing there and all. So I'm going to choose that present screen. From there, I have to choose window, not the entire screen. Choose the window. Whichever window you want to present, you select only that window. So this window only will be visible to your students. At the same time, we can see our students' expression, what they are doing, their activities. They will not be knowing about all these features also. Okay, so likewise, while presenting, we can observe our students, what they are doing, what their expression, all those things we can do while doing like this. So it is so simple. I found it is really helpful for all teachers. So this is first part of my video, first solution to first issue. And the second one, while presenting itself, we need to see ourselves to students window. Okay, so while presenting, if the teacher is visible at the window itself, they can see our expression, how we are presenting, all those things. That will be more effective, I think. So next time focusing on that solution. Okay, so I think this is very clear to you. Arrange your window correctly, both the windows, and while presenting your screen, you please make a note, choose the window whichever you want to present. And in addition to that, if you want to present something from net itself, it will be available in different tabs. So you can take that tab, or you can do like this. You can just click and drag and drop other part of your window. You can keep it like that. So at the same time you can do it. So if you're presenting PowerPoint presentation or something from net to access or digital content or something like that, you can do both, use this both ways. Okay, if you're presenting this one PowerPoint presentation, likewise you can do. Here what we have to do, you have to select the window, stop sharing, and if you want to access something from the net, you have to present screen again and choose another window, whichever you want to share it just now. Okay, so you can click and drag from there and you can place it like that. Then it will be very simple. You can observe your students, at the same time you can access the digital content. So we can see, observe their response, what they are doing and all. That will be more effective. We can make our session more effective, I think. Okay, so next solution is just we need to be visible on students window while presenting our topic. Then it will be more effective to students also. So for that, I've already explained in many videos how to install different extension from Google web store. That is very easy. If you are not visited, if you are not watched my video, please watch the video to see the procedure how to install the different extensions. So many extensions are there to enable our different features available in net. So here dualless, that is the extension we need to install. And likewise we can take Google Meet and send invitation, invite the students. After that, while presenting our screen, we can do one thing. On the top we can see that in the extension bar you can see that dualless. You click on that and you can see the different types of layouts are available there, in which format you want to see the students. So you click on that. Likewise it will be visible in which proportion you should be visible while presenting the screen. So at the same time you can see the students can see the teacher as well as a screen presenting. So that is also very useful to all sessions, I think. So in this small video I just tried to convey these two solutions for these problems. Most of the teachers like me were facing such problems. Now this is the solution. We found the solution, so we can all enjoy these facilities in our online session to make our online session more interactive and more effective to our children. Okay. So in teacher's view it will be like that. Otherwise, while presenting the screen, we know that our camera will not be allowed to switch on. So while the dualless extension is enabled, you can see that myself on the screen as well as the presenting, and you can select like this different proportions are giving horizontal ways or vertical, in which portions, in which partition you want to present your screen. At the same time you can see your children also. So different layouts are also available here, so you please check it out which are all the comfortable layouts for you. As per your convenience you can arrange it like that. So this is it for showing ourselves to the students window while presenting our screen. Okay, hope it would be helpful to you. As I say, if it is helpful to you, please help others and help other teachers to know about these features to make their online session very interactive. So as a token of your love towards me, you can also give a help as form of your sharing this video to all your teachers and friend circle, as well as do subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all.